Hello everyone, I hope you are well. The last 2 weeks I was always busy from morning to night. First, I have prepared the move. That means I had to pack everything, disassemble furniture, plan and organize the whole move. On Easter, it was time. Saturday, my whole family came to help me. We packed everything into the transport truck, and then we finally drove off. When I arrived at my new home, I was overjoyed. We unloaded everything. It looked so chaotic. Then it was time to unpack and set up everything. It was so much fun because I have been looking forward to it for months. The days were long and hard. The nature outside the front door was a welcome change from the work. The fresh air was so good. I enjoyed the time outside, especially with my old friends. I can't always just work. I need breaks too. I have noticed that over and over again in the last 2 weeks, and I have taken it to heart. I have already started the first projects for my new home. I have a lot to do and many plans for the house. I will implement everything one by one. And the spring is already coming. That means I will certainly not be bored in the next few weeks.